funny bunnies! Subscribe now!
He's Harry the bunny. He loves to be funny and play every morning when everything's sunny. When the morning comes to stay, he loves to play all day. He's the sunniest bunny. It's Harry the bunny.
I'm the funniest, sunniest
Harry the bunny. He's Harry the bunny.
Hello, everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. Hey, today I want to play peekaboo with you. Ready? Where am I? Peekaboo! Can you see me? Where am I? Where did I go? Peekaboo! I see you. Do you see me? Where did I go? Peekaboo! I see you. Peekaboo is my favorite game. I hide when you can't see me. Where am I? Then I say, Peekaboo, I see you. Or maybe I cover my face. Can you see me? Where am I? Where did I go? Peekaboo! I'm still here. I'm just hiding my face. Huh? Where did I go? Peekaboo! I love playing peekaboo. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny.